malapit na tayo. 1 hour and 30 minutes na lang at makakarating na tayo. Ganito pala itsura dito, tignan ninyo. Uy, matubig. Uy!
You watch the card.
Yeah. Ang lamig doon, oh. Ang lamig doon. Ganito itsura niya dito. I think they have snow there.
I don't know.
Diyos ko, hindi pa naman yung sapatos ko, parang ano lang siya, rubber shoes. Eh, hindi pa siya totally na parang rubber shoes. Ang ganda, oh. Yeah, ang ganda. Ganda siya. Ganito pala tsura dito. Ayan. May solar gamit nila. They have solar. Medyo tikit-tikit sila. Ang kaibahan lang ay may bakod. Pero ang ganda ng pagkaano nila. It look like the quiet place, yeah?
Yeah.
Or wrong turn, no?
Yeah.
It's look like here, but they have people. Ayun yung sapa. Ayan. Diyos ko. Camellia. They have. Ang ganda ng ano. Ang ganda ng bakasyon dito. It's very nice to make vacation here, no? It's near on mountain. May speedboat pa sila. It's near on mountain. Oh, meron pa sila ano din, oh. Para siyang swimming pool. It's nice. Ito talaga yung gusto ko. Yung bahay.
Herculane.
Herculane. Malapit sa ano, Sapa. Kasi yung magtanim.
Herculane.
Ha?
Coile Herculane. I stayed before on hotel there.
Why?
When I was little. My parents.
Ganda, oh. Mga bahay dito. Dash. Yan, oh. Umuusog, oh.
So?
Maybe no, maybe there. Ayun. Ganda, oh. Umuusok yung mundo. Sobrang lamig siguro dyan. Oh, pathol.
Yeah, something like maybe like that. That hotel. But they changed. Like many.
Yeah, they have the shelter. Oh, damitan. May damitan pa dito sa labas. Pag umulan talaga, basa yan lahat.
Yeah, maybe.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because if not, they say change
it's
the
a
lane.
nice town here. It's a little town. Maliit lang siya na ano. Pero ang ganda niya. Ang ganda. Ang ganda siya. Tsura niya parang nasa maliit na Japan. It look like we are
They
in...
have a statue with Hercules here.
Ang ganda siya. Ano? May muusok doon. Buti na lang dalawang jacket din nala ko. But smell like
Yeah, sulfur.
Huh?
Sulf.
What's what?
It's like
Brook
You-
water, no?
yeah, because
They have lake.
they have many water like is good. It's healthy.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
Aici.
There.
On the front, on the mountain. Haide mă.
Aici, Herculani. Baile.
Hai așa.
Da, uite, oh. They're right there.
Mhm.
Oh.
I don't know exactly how to go. I wasn't here before.
But you see what you was here.
I was when I was little, but I not was many times
Mm.
to cross here.
Dito na tayo. Pero hindi pa talaga ito yung exactly dapat namin puntahan. Ano pa lang siya, 1 hour and 21 minutes pa lang ang tatakbin. Oh, nice. Look. Oltenia. Oh. Tingnan niyo yung mga bahay doon, no?
May headings.
Ha?
May headings here, I think.
Cute. Uy. Is church there?
Maybe. Hai man, go. Oh. We go very strong thermal.
Dilaw na dilaw talaga yung hotel. Lumang ano. It's very old, this.
Yeah.
What's this? Is church?
Maybe was hotel or something. Very statue.
Ay, de Herculani. No, they fix here.
Mai mult laud?
Huh?
Ha? Nu știu.
Maybe. What?
Zonă pietonală, hai mă laud.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. With 30 kilometers they say.
Yeah.
30. Look, Hercule.
This is Herculani. This is
Hercule statue, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Very strong. You know, there are movies with him. With Hercule.
Are Herculani boutique. But this is true, Herculani, no?
Mhm.
Para it's look like we go on the wrong turn,
Mhm.
no?
Yeah. The more small road they say, but it's very small now. Like if I want to, if another car coming, I cannot go anywhere.
Maybe it's not here because maybe it's another way, I think.
My God.
Sapa. Sapa. Ayun, may sapa doon. So, ayan, papasok tayo dito. Parang cave, aray mo. Parang siyang cave. It's look like cave. Oh.
Hai mă. Taxi. Mersi. Mersi beaucoup.
Nalabas na tayo. Ah, this is the Herculani. Uy. Liit ng daan. sapa. Ang ganda. Ako pa naman yung ano sa tubig, mahilig maglaro ng tubig, apoy, ganyan. Pag nagluluto kami sa labas noon, mahilig ako maglaro ng tubig. So ayan. Mag-update tayo mamaya no pag nandun na tayo kasi parang madami-dami na yung storage na nagagamit natin, baka mapuno na naman yung cellphone natin. So mamaya mag-update ako. Thank you for watching ulit. Update tayo mamaya.
Stay. Let me to see.
Ay, sorry. So yan. Yan yung ganda. Update tayo later guys.